Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a huge haul video. It is more like a birthday haul come Hyderabad haul because for my birthday I was over at my parents, as most of you know, and presents started coming in much before my birthday, and it's actually so much I don't know if I'm even going to show you the entire thing because um, so many things out of what I'm going to show you, you've already seen me wearing or using, and it's just something that I've collected over the last 1 month that I was over at my parents. So obviously I was indulged quite a bit. I'll segregate this into say beauty and clothing and skincare because it'll just get easier that way. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want to show you very quickly is my birthday dress. As you can see that it's obviously it's my birthday dress, birthday haul. There, I'll just show you the things that I've already shown you, and they are again in a very bad state. I have literally just pulled these things out of my laundry basket because yeah, so as you can tell, this is my top that featured in my favorites video, my May favorites. I'll link that down below. Please go watch it. It's actually not that difficult. I've just made 4 videos up until now. This is my very favorite shirt that you have seen in my latest video, me wearing this in my what's in my bag video. This has, uh, you know, what's this bird? Pelicans, I don't know, ostriches. I don't know. Yeah, so it's that. It's just a very, like, simple Marks and Spencer's 100% Marks and Spencer's type looking top with short sleeves, and it's really pretty. I really like it. Oh, what I'm wearing right now is also Marks and Spencer's top. This is a really old one, but and I love Marks and Spencer. So all these three things, no, this the first thing, the first dress that I showed it to you is from And, again one of my very favorite brands. And Marks and Spencer's are my absolute favorite brand. So how the things that you'll see me wearing are usually like from that brand. Anyway, I'm just going to show you this this top that I haven't worn yet, and this is it. It's a very pretty blush pink top. You can't really tell it's blush pink, but it has full sleeves and it's pretty sheer. It's really nice. I got this to wear with my mint Marks and Spencer's leg jeggings. Yeah, they look more mint here in this video than they look like in my last May favorites video. This is featured in that too. This, you guys, is a very pretty top that I got from And. It's like that. It's called, I think it's called the baby doll cut, where you know that the lower part it just flares up, so it's fitted till my bust, and then it's loose. It lets my tummy be, so I like it. I really like the detailing here, the lace detailing, and here on the front bit it has this cutout which just opens up when I wear it. That's random, but it's cute, yeah. So yeah, my next item of clothing is another Marks and Spencer's top. Surprise, surprise. This is how it is. It's really cute. I really like high-low tops. So it's a plain grey top from the front, and it has these things. It has like a cotton back. So that's how it is from the back. The back is printed. It's a pretty fluorescent kind of a yellow, and it's loose and it's nice and it's really cute. Like I really like it. It's full sleeves again, so it's a little difficult to wear this in summers, and but yeah, I get over it and I wear it. My next item of clothing is this very pretty Marks and Spencer's top slash dress that I got. It's pretty similar to the color that I'm wearing right now. As you can tell, cobalt blue is one of my favorite colors. I love this color. It's too hot to wear right now, but I think I'll get a lot of wear out of this in Hyderabad or in anywhere but Bareilly, because Bareilly is like sticky hot right now. It's humid. So yeah, it's a very thick material, and it just cuts off right over my above my knee, much above my knee. So I might just wear some leggings or something and wear this during winters. I don't know. Next, you guys, is this palazzo pants that were gifted to me by this very special lady called Mrs. Tamanna Singh, who runs the fashion TV. She's the director of the fashion TV spas and salons, I think all over North India. I mentioned the spa and salon in my last video, as well as this. You should check it out. It's fantastic. Nice. So these are the palazzo pants. It's so cute. So a cute little story is that she was wearing this exact thing when I went to her place in Delhi, and when I told her, I said, "Oh my God, this is so cute. I want to, you know, I want palazzo pants too. I mean, I've never really tried them, so I really want to get something nice and flowy. So she was like, okay, come, I'll take you to the mall and I'll show you where I got these from. I think this is from a place called Lakshata, if I'm not wrong. Wait, let me check. No, it doesn't say here, but I think it is Lakshata. I'm pretty sure it is. And yeah, she took me there, and then yeah, they had like really nice stuff. I really liked it. It was really cute. So that's my clothing. It's not all, but I left like half of my things in Hyderabad, so I can't show you all that now. And yeah, that's all for my clothing. I'm moving on to makeup. Everybody and their dogs has been talking about lining their lips nowadays, and I just want to know what the whole fuss is about. And then I went out and I got my first lip liner, and the texture wasn't that great, to be very honest, but I decided to get more anyway because I really liked how my lipstick clung to my lips and stayed, and especially with my new favorite lipsticks that are totally like they seem to feather and stuff, and they like don't really get out of my lip area wherever I line my lips, and I can totally like right now I'm wearing my liquid lipstick from L'Oreal, and I have lined my lips with a nude lip liner, and I'm really loving it. Like it's staying, it's not really troubling me, and I can't really feel that whole gloopy thing. It works. Anyway, I think I'll just start with my lip liners then. So these are not even all my lip liners. I'm missing one of these, and I can't really find it. It's a messy house that is in between packing. I got 3 lip liners from Colorbar. These I've heard great things about. I actually have 4. The 4th one is what I'm missing. I think it's called Maroon something. And I have 3 with me here right now. One is Summer Pink, one is Cocktail Peach, and one is Berry Rose. And this was the sharpener, if you can tell. So that's really nice. This is, I think, the one that this is the one in Summer Pink, and it's a very pretty Barbie pink. I really like it. It's just damn cute. And this is definitely one of my favorite ones. The next one I have is in Cocktail Peach, and this is a very fun peachy coral color. This is I think the one that I'm wearing on my lips very lightly. I'll show you what I got these for. The next one that I have is called Berry Rose, and it's a darker berry pink, and I actually got this by mistake. This is probably the first time I got these lip liners. I got this one, I got the maroon one by mistake because I really had tried on Summer Pink, and the essay gave me this. I just bought it without really checking, my bad. So I have this, but it's still a nice berry lip color. I'm liking it. I didn't expect to like it, but I like it. The 4th one I have is in the maroon something color. I'll link the color down below, and if I find anything, I'll just link something about it down below. My next lip liner that I got is from the Body Shop, and it's a nude lip liner. It's quite nice. I wanted a nude lip liner. So the color is nice. Oh God, what am I doing? The color is quite nice, but it's a brownie nude, as you can tell here. But it's definitely not as good as these are. These are definitely creamier, and these are so amazing. And these are not. These are for about 599 rupees, and this was for 699 rupees. And just see the size of these. Like this is. Can you tell the difference? You can tell the difference, right? I mean, just. I don't think this is worth it. This is amazing. It's creamy, it's nice, it stays put. It's pretty much, sorry, consistency and finish of that you get from a matte, retro matte lipstick. It's really nice, and but it's that, right? It's a small pointy thing, so you can actually go in and fill every bit of it, and then can be worn alone. These can be worn with lipsticks on top, with glosses on top, and I'm loving these. This I like for the color. Finish and pigmentation wise, not so much. Next, I got a lip liner from Bourjois Paris, and this is also a reddy color, reddy pink. And I got this to wear with my red lipsticks to see if it's going to work. I like this too, pigmentation wise and stuff, it's nice. Next, I got basically what triggered my need for lip liners are these amazing lip creams from Colorbar. I got these two. I wanted to get more, but then I thought I just had too much makeup for now. I just want to wait and get other things that I haven't tried instead of buying the same things over and over again. I have these in two colors, deep rouge and deep blush, and these are exactly the colors they are. I've been loving them both. Proper reviews I'll put up on my blog pretty soon. Anyway, moving on to the next thing, I got a blush from Colorbar. This is in the color Coral Bliss. This is how it looks like. I've used it in my summer makeup tutorial. This is a stunning coral color. It has silver shimmer in it, and it doesn't really translate too much on my cheeks. I got this nail polish free from Colorbar uh, because I bought so much from them, and this is in the color, I don't know what color this is, but they just asked me to pick out a color, and I picked up this. It's a pretty salmon pink color that anyone can wear. It's just nice. So I picked this up as a nice little. So yeah, while on nails, while on the topic of nails, oh, I think these are like so similar, these colors. Just look at that. And this is not exactly what I bought now. This is something that I've had for the last year, for the last 6 7 months. I'm showing this to you here because when I went to Hyderabad, I went without any nail polishes, and I was also attending my best friend's wedding, so I really needed to have something on my nails. So I went and I bought a nail polish there, and I bought the exact same color. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 nail polish in the shade Rose Rush, and this is a stunning nail polish. And I went and I bought the exact same color unknowingly, and when I came back home, I thought, I think I have the same thing. I checked my Instagram after coming home and I had it. But anyway, this is something that is in Bareilly, that is in Hyderabad, so it works. This is a really pretty color. I love it and I wear it all the time. Next, I got just basic, nail polish remover from Colorbar, and just basic stuff I'll show you now. So, just get rid of the boring stuff. I got the Pond's BB cream because I use this all the time, and I left one in Bareilly. Actually, I have two in Bareilly. So I bought this in Hyderabad because that's how I am. I forget to buy things and then I buy things again. Picked out my really trusty favorite Colossal Volume Mascara, the waterproof version, because I was out of mascaras and I just picked up one. I picked out my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Eyeliner in black. It's one of my favorite. that. Next, I got a white nail polish in Post-Teen Party. I wanted this for a really long time. I was missing my cotton candy, constant candy or something from Maybelline, and I wanted to try this, and I just thought, you know, white nail polish is going to look so much better, but I haven't really gotten around to doing that yet. Probably next is going to be this. And then some more lip stuff I got is, yeah, general stuff is the Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm, because I don't pack, you know, I don't pack and then I cry and then I go out and I buy more stuff. That's who I am. Oh, so I bought these two new Maybelline Rebel Bouquet lipsticks in Rebel 4 and Rebel 5. These are both corally colors. This one is, the one in Rebel 5 is definitely an orange colored lipstick. I wanted an orange lipstick for a really long time, but I didn't really want to spend like a lot for like MAC Morange or something. It's Morange or Morange, I don't know. And this is Rebel 4. This featured in my May favorites again. Lovely lipsticks, good pigmentation. I got one lipstick from Revlon in, you know, the Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks. It's one of the matte ones. It's called Paradise Pink. This is again not a pink, and it's again like more like a coral color. I just go and pick the same colors over and over again. So yeah, it does look like that is that, and it does look so similar to everything else I got. Yeah, so I think that's about it for makeup. Next, moving on to accessories. I've already shown you this bag. This was also a birthday present to me from my parents. Yeah, but you know, I bought this with the money they sent me, and when I went to Hyderabad, this is something that my mom had gotten for me. This another bag. I don't really know the brand, but I really like how structured it is. It's like really pretty. Like, just look at that bag. It's a big one. It fits a lot. I like it. It comes with a big strap. It comes with these small handles. I think I prefer using the small handles here. But the only problem with this bag is really heavy, so I don't know how I'm going to use it. But it's full of stuff because the bag itself is so heavy. I don't know how I can. Inside the bag, I have some accessories just to make it easier. I have my Ray-Ban glasses that you have seen in every video that I've done, so I'm not going to show you that again. I have my Real Technique brushes that my parents again gifted to me very kindly on my birthday, and these are the three sets that I have. I mean, this is a blush brush. It's a very dirty blush brush that I need to wash, but that's very nice. I love that. And I got the, I think it's an eye thing, right? The eye makeup starter kit or something. I think I'm going to go out and buy the same thing again because I get so much use out of all these brushes that it makes sense to me. Or I don't know, maybe I'll just try something else. I don't know. Anyway, I got that, and then I got the Co Collection thing. I like that they come like this. It's so easy to travel with. Since the time I got these brushes, my makeup routine takes like 5 minutes. I just have these different brushes to do different things, and I'm really happy. So I really like that. Next, I got my Elizabeth Arden Green Tea perfume, which you have seen me using in my May favorites again. I love this stuff. This is something that I used to wear throughout college. I don't know why I stopped getting this, because obviously I think I used to love my D&G Light Blue way more than anything else, so I just let this be. But then I went back to Hyderabad, and I don't know why I just... Oh, so wait, this is something that my brother gave me. I'm so sorry. He got me this, and he got me this. This is the Body Shop White Musk perfume. I did mention to him once that I wanted to try this out, so he got me this. It's really nice. So for skincare, the first thing that I got is I'll just do this brand wise, it's so much easier. I got the L'Oreal Hydrofresh Energizing Mask and Lotion thing, and you saw this, like I posted a picture of this on my Instagram, and a lot of my friends actually called me and asked me what this is and how does it work. It's really nice. I actually bought this after reading a review. She doesn't call it reviews, but after reading a review from Cynthia, who's one of my all-time favorite beauty bloggers in India. I got this. I'll let you know my exact thoughts on this once I use it sufficiently. I went back and I got my favorite sunscreen. I really like this. It's a L'Oreal UV Perfect sunscreen in, I think it's a tinted moisturizer one, but it doesn't really have much of a tint. So if you want this as a tinted moisturizer, it probably won't work. If you just want this as a sunscreen, that is a really good one. It's a really good daytime moisturizer as well, because that I got that, and then I just got a general, you know, the oil-free makeup remover thing. There's a duo what is it called? I don't know, the oil and water thing. If you can tell, can you? Yeah, this is from Neutrogena. And I've been using this. This is okay. Then I got my trusted deep clean facial cleanser from Neutrogena. I have so many of these lying around in every single house of mine. I love this stuff. Next, you guys, I need to get into this. Okay, so I went to Shiseido and I wanted to get an eye cream and I wanted to get a night cream. So yeah, the first thing I picked out was the night cream. Obviously, it's the White Lucent Brightening Moisturizing Night Cream. Then I picked out an eye cream. This was probably the last piece they had. The Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Eyes Anti-Rise something. This is actually an intensive eye cream kind of a thing. I have really dry under eye area and my inner corners and stuff, and I feel like my skin around my eyes is really sensitive. It's thinned down a great deal, and it's really dry to an extent of getting itchy. So I could never even apply concealer because, you know, everything would look patchy and bad. I really wanted a really moisturizing, nice plumping eye cream. So I went and I got this. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Let me use it for a while more and then I'll come out with a review for all these things because these are really expensive. I don't think you just want to go out and buy them like me without even hearing or reading reviews on these. Then I got this. This, you guys, is the Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate, and this is for 6,650 rupees. I don't know, it doesn't feel as bad anymore, but when I got it, I was just like, but then, I don't know, I had not heard anything. The essays totally sold this to me, and I don't know, honestly, after coming back home, I just heard that it didn't really work for a lot of people. So I don't know, maybe it would work for me because my skin has been really dry and dehydrated lately. So let's see how it goes. It's okay. I'll let you know how I feel about this. I've been using this as my skincare lately. With that, I got a lot of freebies. Obviously, I got the Shiseido Future Solution LX. It's like, I think they have samples of, I think it's the day cream, the night cream, and serum and face wash and stuff. So there are 2 samples each here and one sample here, and I got 3 of these. And I did try this in the mall, and it was quite nice. So I'm really looking forward to trying these things out. And next, I got the Shiseido Benefiance Extra Creamy Cleansing Foam Face Wash. I got like 2 of these. These were also samples that I got as freebies. Oh wait, look what I found. So I found this under my hairbrush, and this is my Maroon Perfect Lip Liner from the Calabar thing. Let me swatch this for you. I haven't really used this at all yet. So it's that, and it's more like a brick red color. Where do I swatch it? Probably here. Swatched it here. Hi guys, this is an edit. I forgot to mention the most important big things that I got for my birthday, which is really funny. One of the things that you have seen in my other video, that's what's in that video, was this necklace, the gold chain. And of course, I got my camera, the one that I'm filming on. So this was my mom's birthday present to me. Like, so I got a camera for my birthday. This is the most amazing present I've ever asked for. I got a Canon 70D. It is an amazing camera. Okay, so that was that of everything that I had with me in Bareilly, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.